No electricity for one day. Hello and welcome to the English Lab. Today's story is called No Electricity for One Day. It's about a family who learns to enjoy life without phones, Wi-Fi, or electricity. As you listen, try to understand the meaning from context. Let's begin. It was a Saturday morning when the lights went out. No warning, no storm, just silence. The ceiling fans stopped spinning. The fridge hummed and then went quiet. In the corner, Mia's phone screen went black. No signal, no Wi-Fi. "Mom, the Wi-Fi's down," she called from the couch. Her brother, Leo, shouted from his room, "My game froze." Mrs. Carter came out of the kitchen holding a flashlight. "The power's out everywhere. The electric company says it'll take a full day to fix." "A whole day?" Dad raised an eyebrow. "No electricity? That means no internet, no TV, no microwave." "Exactly," said Mom. "Let's think of it as an adventure." Mia groaned. "This is going to be the worst day ever." But with no phones to scroll and no TV to watch, the Carter family sat at the table staring at each other. Then Dad said, "Let's play a game, something old-fashioned, like cards." "I don't even know how to play," Leo said. "You'll learn," Dad smiled. So they played Go Fish. At first, the kids complained, but after a few rounds, they were laughing. Mom made lemonade with real lemons, and they played by candlelight as the afternoon clouds rolled in. Later, they went outside. The neighborhood was quiet. No lawnmowers, no music, no screen sounds. Just birds and wind. Mia brought out a notebook and started to draw. Leo kicked a ball against the garage wall. Mom joined him. Dad found his old guitar and started strumming. It was a little out of tune, but nobody cared. At dinner, they ate sandwiches and fruit. No oven, no microwave. Just simple food and conversation. "I forgot we could do this," Mom said. "Do what?" asked Leo. "Talk, play, be bored, and then not be bored anymore." When the sky darkened, they lit candles again and sat in a circle. Dad told a story from when he was a kid. No cell phones, no Wi-Fi, just bikes and imagination. Mia looked up. "I thought today would be terrible, but it's kind of nice." "No screens," said Leo, "but we still had fun." At 9 p.m., the lights blinked back on. The fridge hummed again. The house came to life, but nobody moved. "Well," Dad said, "should we turn on the TV?" Mia shook her head. "Not yet. Let's just stay like this a little longer." And so they did. In the soft candlelight, with full hearts and no distractions, they sat together, just a family, enjoying the quiet. Thanks for listening to today's story. If you liked the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English learning video. See you next time.